Hi guys, welcome back to Abhinav Arts and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a hummingbird. See, this is a hummingbird guys. For making this we need a square paper. Fold it into a triangle like this and open it. And again fold it into another triangle and open it. Now turn it backside and fold it into half. See, like this guys, and again fold it into on the half. Now what we need to do is, see guys, there will be a square like this and there will be a half line like this. We need to just take these both and fold it inside like this and press inside and fold here. See guys, it's done. Now what we need to do is just take this one and fold it into half and fold this into other half. See guys, like this we need to fold it on the other side like this, and again fold it on the other side too. See guys, it should become like this. Now open it. Now pull it like this, and see guys, there will be a line like this. Just you need to fold it like this. Slowly you need to pull some forward like this. See guys, it will come like this, and here also there will be a line. Just you need to fold this like this and push that back. So we need to push it and it should come like this. See guys, it's done like this, and turn it back side and open it and pull this edge upside, and when we'll pull it, we cannot pull it totally, so we need to just push this inside. Slowly we need to push inside and keep like this. That's it. See guys, we did on this side too. Now what we need to do is push it upside and see, turn it backside, and slowly we need to fold it like this. See guys, it will come like this. Now just push it like this. On the more side we need to push it like this. Okay, see, it will come like this. Now we need to open it like this. See, it will be like this. Now slowly take this edge and fold it here. Now see guys, you need to see this carefully. See, we need to slowly take this edge and fold it into half. Slowly. See guys, it should come into half like this. Do it on the other side too. See, it should come like this. We need to just fold this like this, it will be guys, and we need to fold this into half like this and open it like this. See guys, now what we need to do is slowly we need to fold it like this. See, I'll show you guys. See, this one should touch here. See guys, it should touch here like this. It should be like this, and turn it backside and do it in the same way. See guys, our hummingbird is done. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.